Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video on how to create this last night, but I was not happy because they're at angles, so I produced this morning, and it's perfect. But I also thought I'd show you how to do maybe a quicker version, but it doesn't match up perfectly. I'm using the dotted line feature, so I just took a solid line and made it the appropriate thickness. And then I even tried to reproduce my own dotted line. But even if you got it perfect, there's going to be a little bit of variance between the spaces somewhere because it's not exactly symmetrical. And you could work with this for hours and maybe never get it right. But here's how I did the other one. Just draw two circles, appropriate thickness, draw you two lines at 6-degree angles. I think it's 6-degree angles off the center, which would make it perfect. Take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in. Then we can actually get rid of our lines. Matter of fact, you can get rid of all the lines, but we're going to double click on that. We're going to make a duplicate of it. We're going to double click on it. Move the rotation to the center. And we're going to use our 15 degrees and our magical 23. And if you haven't watched the rest of the videos, it takes 24 to get around, but you already have one. Then you can take away your circles, take away, and the only reason it's got a hairline is because my Smart Fill tool has hairline built into it. So now you have a perfect, symmetrical, spaced out, and even sloped angle of a dots around a circle or lines around a circle. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.